I always have to do a little bit of neck work as well. I have to release my neck. Tends to where I hold my tension. Where do you hold yours? So run your chin across your chest and release your neck, release your shoulders, and then pause. Hands to the side, fingertips very carefully on the back of your head. Okay, so no pressure there. Bend in the knees, so we're out of posture. We're just going to bend the knees, but the chest is high. Then bring the chin to the chest and drop. See how deep you can go. Inhale at the bottom and exhale to roll back up. I feel like I'm ironing out the creases in my back. So stand upright and let's get those elbows wide. Good. Now squeeze your bum and open your chest a bit more and look up at the morning sun. Let's pretend. Look up at the morning sun. Upright, little bend in the knees and turn in one direction, center, and turn in the other direction, center. Let's do that little sequence again, and if you need to stop and rest in between, that's fine. Lower, release the tension in your hamstrings and your lower back, climb up, breathe in, open your chest, open your heart, squeeze your bum and look up. Oh, that feels good. Pause, center and then turn. Very sophisticated move. You're doing so much for your body. You're opening your neck, your spine, your lower lumbar spine that carries so much load. You're stretching it and you're using gravity to help. Inhale and then exhale, rebuild your spine. Notice every element of your spine. Squeeze your bum, look up at the morning sun, open your chest, your shoulders, bend in the knees to rotate one side, center and the other. So we'll do two more. Pilates is about repetition because repetition gives us the stamina and the movement that allows us to really open up. Inhale at the top, squeeze your bum. Good, so if I can encourage you to go deep, maybe close your eyes. That's fantastic. And the stamina, keeping your hands behind the back of your head, that's tough, isn't it? If you're struggling, hands in front. I'm going to do one last one. Light touch with your fingertips. Go deeper, go a bit lower. Straighten your legs with your breath in. Deep knee bend and climb all the way up. Inhale at the top. Good. Exhale, squeeze your bum, look up. Inhale, little bend in the knees and turn. Fabulous. And then the other side. Good work, everyone. Turn to face the front and just open your arms. Open your arms up and then pull back just a little. Where do you feel it? And release. And do it again. Up and open. And release. Yes, love it. Two more. So you're using your arms as a lever to open across your chest. And one last one. Simple moves, but they really make the structural muscles work hard. When I say structural, I mean the muscles that keep your upper back strong. So roll the shoulders and release the neck. Bring your hands forward so your fingers gently rest on your forearm, and let's practice something slightly different now. Let's focus on a different part of our body. Another balance. Lift your knee and lower. You're looking for the knee to line up with the hip. So you're pushing it forward. You can do this seated. You can sit on your bottom and lift the knee. You're still going to work your quads and you're still going to work your core because you're having to sit yourself upright. That's great. So I'd like you to do two more with your eyes gently closed. So this is about trusting yourself, but also being compassionate with yourself. You're not supposed to be perfect or an expert. We are on a journey. Perfect. So bring your arms down, roll your shoulders. And here I'm going to add on. So lift the arms, lift the knee, and then turn. So it's the same rotation we did earlier, but with a little bit more intensity. A knee lift. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. So the other knee, lift it, turn towards the knee, centre, turn away from the knee, centre, and relax. You can do a shoulder roll, you can do a kick out whenever you want, but we're going to do 3 more. Lift the knee and turn. So again, a slow moving exercise, which is where the real integrity happens, the real efficiency in the body, because it's slow, means that we've got an opportunity to notice what's going on. Perfect. Roll if you need. 2 more. And let's just look at what's going on. We've got shoulder strength, shoulder stability, shoulder blades pulling back. We've got core strength, holding us upright, abdominals and back muscles. We've got legs working hard, and even your feet. So well done. Last one. And have you noticed, because we did this last week, that it doesn't feel quite as bad? I'm praying, I'm hoping that's the case. You feel a little bit more secure this week with the move. It's just your body's had the practice. And then release, roll your shoulders, kick out the legs, bit of a power move now. Bring the hands in front, so the fingertips rest and line with the elbow, but take it into a parallel squat. So make sure that the knees don't go outwards, okay? Keep them strong. Now press the hands back, open your chest, look up at the morning sun. So forearms, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm encouraging you to look over your wrist and then press back. It's a good way of emphasising the parallel squat. Yeah, keep going. You look really comfortable with that. Put the body weight into your heels, maybe lift your toes. You're looking for a diagonal spine rather than a flat spine. You're not looking for this, you're looking for this. Lovely. So I'm going to do 4 more because you look really comfortable. Yes, good, Glennis, lovely. Maybe climb up onto your toes if your crazy footwear from yesterday will allow you. Oh, good. Love it. You look great. 2 more. Yes, well done. Come on, come back to it. Last one. So that's your power move. It's not so powerful, is it? You can do that. Now bring your heels down, bring your shoulders down. Let's put it all together. This is the exciting bit. So, I know, exhilarating. Parallel squat, stand, chest open. Knee up, oh, hands on forearms. Turn one way and turn the other. And then land. I'm with the cool kids because we are mashing it up. What we're doing is we're using the big muscles in the squats. Foot down. So let's do that. Squats, glutes, yes, and thighs, and opening through the front of the chest, and then we're doing the deep muscles, the stabilizers. So the body's having to make lots of calculations. And the other side. Good, so you move towards the leg and you move away from the leg. I want to keep you going, hands in front, parallel squat. Stand tall, add in more breath, open your chest, big effort. Hands in front, knee lifts. Look at that. Super impressive. Good. Other side. Add in, layer in the breathing. Exhale to turn. Inhale to center. Exhale to turn. One, we're going to do 2 more. I'm going to add 1 more layer. Fingers behind your head, that's how we started. Bend your knees, chest high, thank you. Now keep the fingers there, squeeze your bum, elbows wide, it's a bit bigger, isn't it? Pause, lift the knee. Here's the challenge, turn towards the leg. Center and away from the leg. Center and the other side. So big breath in to lift, big breath out to turn, big breath into center, big breath out to turn. Center, land the foot last time, chest high, parallel squat, chest high. I'm trying to get all your eye gaze, yes. Squeeze your bum, open the elbows, open the chest, feel the shoulder blades pinch. Climb up, breathe in, and knee lifts and you turn. I'm going deeper, I can feel the muscles getting a little more lubricated and oiled and they're working more. Other side. Oh, that's so beneficial. Great work. So land the foot, just end it there. Lift the arms, look up at the morning sky and release. 3 more. Look up at the morning sky. Pull the arms back a little bit further. Open the chest a bit more. Squeeze your glutes to protect your lower back. Brilliant. 2 more. Feeling really grounded in your feet, really earthed. And 1 last one. Good. Arms down, shoulders roll. Perfect. How does that feel in your body? What are you experiencing right now? Where do you need to release? Is it a neck release? Good. So I've got 1 more little standing routine, very quick, and then we'll move on. Hands in front, parallel squat. We love a parallel squat. We know that we like a parallel squat because it makes our thighs stronger. And all I want you to do is step out. Step out to one side, maybe bounce, maybe a few bounces in that step, and then step back in. Oh, that's okay, yeah, I can do that, it's fine. Now step out the other way. Everything else stays the same. Your eye gaze is high, you're above your chin is above your wrist, and you haven't noticed how much your legs are burning. Now stand up tall and give me that refresher, that release. We'll do it a couple more times. Watch the shoulders, drop the shoulders, give me a few bounces, just to take your mind off what's going on. Good, step out to one side, give me a few bounces here, let the shoulders relax. Good. Come back into the middle. You can count the bounces. Yes. Are you beginning to feel it? Can you feel the love that you've got for your legs? Go out to the other side. Well done. I can see your smiles. Now come back into the middle, isn't it? It's a cumulative effect. Stand up tall and release. Yes, it's got that cumulative effect. It's a big muscle group, your quads, and they need what we call in the fitness industry, overload. And that's what we're doing. Fun, isn't it? So little bounce, feel the right, it's pure thigh. Out to the side, it's all thigh. Take it away from the knee, put your weight into your heels, make it all about your quads. Happy legs, happy back. Oh, just made that up. Stay with me. I'm trying to crack stupid jokes so that you stay focused and you stay with me. Out to the other side. Stay with it. Stay with it. Stay with it. Bring those knees in a bit more, Andrea. They've gone wide. Bring those legs in. Good. Parallel. Last time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. What do you need? Paddle for your feet. Roll through the shoulders. Start to pay attention to those muscles. I'm going to take my legs wide and lift my heel because it's signalling to the body to let go. Good. Turn side to side. I'm just going to do a little stretch of the thighs. after that. But first of all, bring your feet in closer, parallel, bend the knees heavily because you're moving at speed. And you are making sure that your tummy is tight and you're moving from your waist. And the neck is moving freely, as comfortable as possible. And then you just stop and roll. So take it into a little quad stretch, you deserve it after that. Use the chair, use the wall. If you can, thumb meets big toe. Arm goes forward, hold for a few seconds, get your balance, and then take it into the stretch. Good, and that's going to look different for everybody. Some people are going to be holding a chair, a wall. Some people are going to have their arm out in front for balance. My preference is on my thigh. I use my hand on my thigh to lever my leg higher up into the air. And I'm working on squaring off my hip so I can twist, and that's not quad. But if I turn my hip down, that's all about the thigh. Pull your tummy in, and it's all about the thigh. Let's do that on the other side, because that's where we're trying to go. So, balance, first instance. Breathe in, and then as you exhale, slide the leg back. It will look and feel different for everyone. Arm forward, hand on thigh, and work to square off those hips. So it's not all being loaded in the lower back. If you square off the hips, it's being loaded into the thigh. And I feel it. Good, come down, roll the shoulders. We'll come down onto the mat now. What's your best way of doing it? I like a roll. Dropping down, releasing here, letting the arms go. And come to the back of your mat so that you can look along your mat and use your hands, bend your knees and walk forward. So here we are in that high plank or press up posture. Your chest is between your hands, your legs are strong.